let's unbox with avocado. Hello everyone, today I'm going to unbox this box. I've just received it from Lazada and today let's open it and I'll show you everything inside and then let's guess how much did I buy this box in total. Okay, let's start it. Okay, so before getting started, I will prepare the tool to unbox it. I will use the scissors and this knife, okay? So let's sit down and then I'll do it. So I bought it from Lazada Choice with a lot of items inside. Maybe 7 or 8 items, I think. And the price is so reasonable that you can't believe it. But let's guess. I'll show you. Okay, so inside of the box, the person who packed this package is very careful. Yes, they did it so carefully. You see that? There are many things inside to protect the stuff inside. Okay, first of all, I'm picking out. Okay, this is a shirt. Okay. The shirt. Okay, and let me move the box down so that it's easier for us to see the shirt. So this is a long sleeve shirt. A long sleeve shirt with the size XL. Okay. So it will fit me because I'm a little bit big and the shirt looks so nice. It is a light brown in long sleeves and it's a price and inside up I cannot tie the small button because they still uncut. Not yet cut. So I cannot, you can see that I cannot tie the buttons. Cannot. See, I tried to do that, but the hand recognized that it's not open. It's not cut yet. It's not. See? Okay. It's not, so I put it on like that. Okay, and I will keep putting on to unbox another thing. So the first thing of the item inside of the box is this shirt. It looks quite good, right? So the second thing is 3 markable pen with 3 colors: red, blue, and black. Yes. So each pen has 2 heads. So I'll try to catch the paper so that I can test it on. Okay, this is the first one I open. The small one. Okay, it looks good. And it's a small head. And then I open the big head. It also looks good. Okay, I'll try the other. The red pen. Okay, good. And then the blue pen. Very nice. You can't believe how much it is. The 3 remarkable pens, just 13 Vietnam đồng, 13,000 Vietnam đồng. So I don't know, but it's around 0.3 or $0.4 for 3 pens. Oh, this thing is quite cheap. You can't believe it. That is a total with I think 11 or 10 smaller equipment inside so that you can use they call it something you bring with the bicycle when you drive outside, and then when you need to fix the bicycle, you have it in your pocket. It's very convenient and small with about 11 head. See? So that is the way I open one head, and the other they have some smaller thing inside. I don't know what that's for. What's that for, you know? I don't know. Maybe the man will know. And next, I can plug it in. Yeah, that is something you can use to fix your motorbike or your bicycle when you go outside. And then you put this small equipment in the car, in the baggage, and then use it. It will be very convenient, but it is super cheap, you know. 11,000 Vietnam dong. 11. I repeat, 11,000 Vietnam dong for the whole tune set. Super cheap. I can't believe that, so I must buy it for my husband so that he can fix the things when he goes outside with his motorbike. Okay, so I'll test it, so I put it pop. Okay, put it back and then put it into the box. And I will unbox another thing. I really like it. 11,000 Vietnam dong, you know, it's super cheap. When you buy a meal at my place, it's 30, around 35,000 Vietnam dong for my lunch. So it is even cheaper than that.
So I will open another thing. This is a stone hang so that I can hang it on the wall. No, I don't hang it on the wall. I will stick it on the wall so that my little girl can hang her little stuff on the wall, like the bell, something like that, or the small stuff when she goes outside. Yeah, they have some stick at two heads. Yeah, stick. So we stick it into the wall. So this one, they sold me two pieces of this one so that I can hang in the wall 2 pieces at the price 22,000 Vietnam dong for 2. So maybe it's 11,000 Vietnam dong for ish. Also cheap, I think so. I asked my kid to hang it on her clothes, and then I'll show you the picture later. It looks quite nice. Okay. So next. Okay. So for this box I tried to find I counted there are 1, 2, 3, only 3 stickers so that I can stick it into the wall because they are 2 pieces and each piece needs 2 stickers. But here we just have 3 stickers, so I cannot stick both 2 of them onto the wall, so I can only use 1. They have 6 hangers. I put it inside and then I will stick it in the wall. Okay. I gave it to my daughter so that he can stick it. She can stick it onto the wall and hang whatever she likes. I'll show you the picture of what is done later.
Okay, what's next?
Okay, let's open the next box. So the next item is a pack of 4 notebooks. They are very small and lovely. Let's say I'll show you one of the notebooks. So the notebooks are very lovely. So each of them. And yeah, so it is said that it's an A7 paper size. A7. It's an A7 paper size and there are 4 notebooks inside of the pack, and the price of them are 13,000 Việt Nam đồng in total for four notebooks.
11 rồi.
Okay. 11 lines for each page of paper. So you can write a note, or you can write the memories, or stick something up for your daily task, and then you tear them out easily.
Ơi, đây là
Yeah, I think
sổ
so,
tay cho
because
con nếu
I
cần
want
nha.
to use it for my daily task
chúng
or
ta nếu
checklist,
cần.
or whatever I want to buy. When I go to the supermarket, I use it.
Chơi đây.
Yeah, very cheap, 13,000 Việt Nam đồng in total. Okay, so next is less than half a dollar. Okay,
Đầu tiên.
so I bought a lot of bird nests.
Đầu tiên.
They are bird nests, and 10 of them.
10.
I bought 10.
10 tới.
Yes, the price is very cheap too. 10 of them, and each of them is around 13.
Được không?
They sell at the same price at
Cái này là
13,000 Việt Nam
và 3
đồng
cây bút
for
luôn.
each. Yeah, my girl likes the notebooks very much. Okay, so the next thing is, yeah, this
Cái
is
này
very
là
interesting thing.
Hay con đi qua con nhìn
It
thử
is
coi mẹ đứng dậy thì mẹ
around
có nhìn thấy
is
đang
a
làm gì
steel
không?
round with decoration.
Thấy cái này
So
không?
I will use it for
Thấy cái này không?
for
Ở trong điện thoại có thấy cái đây
fixing my
được
clothes.
không?
Like when the clothes are very
Thấy không?
loose or
Thấy, ok.
bigger size to me,
Cái
I
này
will.
cái
Yeah,
đó
you
là
see, I will open it and make it for you to see.
mẹ con không biết. Nó
Yeah,
chỉ vậy
it's
thôi
a
đó.
round one with a stick at the middle. And then,
Một clip là nó như
okay, I'll show you. I think it would be very useful when I wear something big or oversized, but I want to make myself skinny. I will use it. It looks very lovely. Yeah, you can see it, lovely. You see, very lovely. Yeah, and the price list may be around 13,000 again. The same price as the others. I love it. Today is my first day of making the unboxing video, and I'm not sure if anyone will watch me. Will watch my video, but if you think it's useful or you have any comment to improve my videos, please don't hesitate to comment at the video comments, and then I will try to improve my videos in the future. I remember it is around, this one is 36,000 down. And this is a set of 6 spoons.
Wow.
The set of 6 spoons is 23,000 Việt Nam đồng for 6 spoons. So that's all for the box I unboxed today. And do you know the total price of this set? How much do you think? How much do you think? It is 288,000 Việt Nam đồng. 288,000 Việt Nam đồng.